They called it the perfect crime until a parrot started talking. Buenos Aires, 2006, the Banco Rio heist. 5 men walked in wearing fake police uniforms and ski masks. They had floor plans memorized, guard schedules downloaded, escape routes mapped to the second. But they didn't rush. They made everyone lie down calmly and ordered pizza for the hostages. Police surrounded the building. Helicopters circled. Snipers positioned on rooftops. The thieves negotiated for hours, demanding safe passage. Then they made their move, except they never left through the front door. They had spent 6 months digging a tunnel from a rented property 2 blocks away. It connected directly to the vault basement through the sewer system. While police watched every exit, they crawled underground with $20 million. By the time SWAT stormed in, the vault was empty. The hostages were eating pizza. Authorities found the tunnel 3 days later. But here's where it gets insane. One robber's ex-girlfriend owned a parrot. That parrot learned phrases he practiced at home. It kept squawking his real name and details about the tunnel. A neighbor reported it. Police traced it back, arrested him, and he gave up the crew. They got 15 years each. The parrot got adopted by a detective. No one ever found where they stashed the money.